I think I've found everybody's dream toolbox. Let's take a look. This is the USA Sumo series from SP Tools. What you are looking at here is a 73-inch roll cab with the matching 73-inch hutch and additional side cabinets. Let's talk roll cabinet. Available in 59-inch 13 drawer or 73-inch 21 drawer. 622 deep, 1850 wide, 1090 high, including the wheels. Side cabinets, couple options available in those. The monster assembly, the big 128-inch, and with or without tools, comes complete with overhead cupboards and available in 1017 piece or 1216 piece at the moment. Everyone's needs are covered. Workbench, stainless steel worktop. Box and drawer construction, dual wall, 1.5mm thick steel, 14 and a half gauge. We're in Australia, let's talk millimeters. Drawer setup, handy triple bank setup with one full length deep drawer. That's my junk drawer. We have our standard drawers, our deep drawers, and our extra deep drawers. Single-handed release and opening of drawers with soft close. And you can kind of open it from any position. It's just one nice long bar across the whole drawer, releases these little latches. 28 ball bearing slides allow full length opening, load rating of 60 kilos per standard drawer, 120 kilos on the deep drawers. Let's test it. I am, I think, between 76 and 80 kilos. There we go. Soft close. One last bonus feature while we are on the roller cab. It is supplied with these things. What these are drawer dividers. If you have the EVA foam, which doesn't take up the full depth of the drawer, I like to pop these in. The 1/3 and 2/3 marks in the drawer, there's little notches for these to sit in, and I've just popped mine behind my EVA foam tray to stop it from sliding backwards and forwards when I open the drawer. And my little drawers with no EVA foam inserts, where I just keep loose tools and knickknacks. I utilize those to keep, everything sectioned off. So yeah, if you get some flat metal straps, that's what they're for. We are looking at Super Duty, spring-loaded, lockable, 360-degree swivel casters with a load rating of 400 kilos per wheel. Over the entire assembly, that's 10 wheels, 4 ton. The box alone, 6 wheels, 6 4s are 24. Now, I'm not that great at math, but it's 2.4 ton. It is running an internal locking system, allowing you to decide who can and cannot gain access to your tools. Everything is finished in a double-coated UV stable powder coat to keep it looking its best. Let's take a look at our power top hutch. Lockable security screen door. Dual gas struts to lift and keep it up, tucks away neatly into the top. 1855 head clearance. Steel pegboard, perfect for organizing your workspace, keeping those frequently used items at arm's length. Full length height adjustable shelf, which utilizes the pegboard. Twin magnetic work lights. These are super strong magnets, individually switched. It does allow you the freedom to move these to wherever you need them. The shelf has got a built-in adjustable holder specifically for these lights. Quadruple individually switched power boards with 4 USB outputs, 2 of which are supplying power to our LEDs. But these are magnetic and allow us to mount them wherever we need. And we just tuck these cables with these little cable clips. And we have our nice little cable entry glands with protection so that we aren't cutting into our sheathing. Moving on to our side cabinets. These come in 2 options, 1 fixed shelf and 4 sliding shelves, and 3 fixed shelves and a closed hanging rail. Mind the weed sprayer. But as you can see, these are great for storing knickknacks, bits and pieces, car cleaning gear. If you have some PPE, welding jacket, gloves, you can actually change the height of these shelves and store your clothing on this rail. This side, fully extendable drawers with our same rollers featured in our drawers in our main roll cab, meaning 60 kilo load rating. Do you want to test that? Looks like we want to test that. We have 1 GSP worth of weight. Rosie girl is 30 kilos. So we could quite comfortably, although there's not enough physical room, but we could quite easily fit 2 Rosies. A bit scared of heights? Let's get you down. Yeah. Thank you. Both sides include electrical ports, and there's actually 2. So if you had this one over there, depending on where your cable needs to enter to make your life easier, the best thing about that is we have our other power port. I have that neatly tucked at the back with all my chargers plugged in and easy access out of the way. No clutter, perfect. If you would like to acquire one of these bad boys, I'd love to help you out. My email or social details will be in the description somewhere. Get in touch, we can talk tools. I'd love to find you your dream setup. Until the next time, job done.